Hello, and welcome to yet another episode of the Akash Mehta and Friends podcast. Guys, we are getting closer and closer to the last few episodes of this podcast season. I hope you have had a good time so far. Today, we're doing something different. We're not really talking to any comedian, we're not talking to anybody from the entertainment industry. We're talking to somebody who I am a fan of. Which is not to say that I'm not a fan of many of the people who've come on the podcast before, but this is a person who is not from the scene, and I'm a big fan of. So perhaps that is reason enough to listen to this podcast, even if you don't know about him. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to have, not in person, not in face, but in voice and in avatar, the very great person who runs the channel Garib Scientist. Hey man, welcome so much. Welcome so much. Is that welcome, man? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you also for agreeing to do this for a second time. There are certain episodes we have to re-record because either I goof up, या feel नहीं आता है, या कुछ भी होता है. And this is one of those episodes. But you were kind enough to give time, which is great.
इसमें क्या?
नहीं यार, है बहुत है. देख, तेरे को लगता है बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो पहली बार भी नहीं आते.
अच्छा.
और आप तो 2 बार आए हो. And this is a interesting podcast because normally AMF is about understanding a person's life story and journey and experiences, but this is the first time we're doing one where I cannot talk about the person. I can't even refer to him by his name. I know his name, but I can't say his name. I can't talk about where he's from. Hopefully he will also not goof up and say where he's from. And I cannot ask basically any personal questions. So हाँ, आज सिर्फ काम और साइंस का बात होएगा.
Yeah, something productive.
I think it's productive only, man. Like if you are
Productive meaning knowledgeable बोल सकते, ज्ञान बोल सकते हो, ज्ञान.
हाँ, और हम सबको पता है anybody who is a follower of Garib Scientist knows कि ज्ञान की गरीबी सबसे बड़ी. Welcome, man, and I think this is like an important thing to do also. I think the whole YouTube landscape has become just talking to everybody that everybody already knows. You know, so there's no fresh perspective anymore. It's the same 12 people on every YouTube video.
Thanks, man. Thanks for inviting, man. It's an honor.
Not at all, man. And thank you for taking the effort to make that avatar of yours bob its head and all of that. You know, I was personally also, and the way you had that solution also. This is what I love about people who are software engineers, right? For them in this modern world, everything is a few lines of code away from being achieved.
Basically anything and everything can be automated, at least in the digital world.
Yeah, and I feel like a fool for never having learnt all of those things, you know. But then I feel quite smart.
You have something that is creativity, right? वो difficult है replicate करना. Although we are seeing advances in that.
Arey bhai, if you look at the music AI is making in terms of piano solos and all, I think it's a matter of time, you know. It's also, I think, particularly fascinating to me because what I have spent most of my time doing is using my social skills in order to become friends with all the people who are good at all this.
Right.
You know, so that either you learn how to do it or make friends with people who know how to do it.
Right.
So thankfully everything is, you know, yesterday I was doing Azim Banatwala ka episode. And Azim ka episode was like my favorite episode to do this year. After quarantine at least, you know, because I didn't have to do anything. I just had to log on and just had to have my end of recording sorted, and everything just came to me by the end of the day. And you know, all the files were there, and there was no intern who had to be shouted at for forgetting to back up something. You know, none of that happened. It was just like such a smooth experience for once. And it makes sense to talk to you like in the scheme of things right after Azim's episode, because with Azim's episode we spoke a lot about gaming and about technology and how it has progressed over the years and how it's impacted lives. And I think you definitely, considering the channel is how many years old now?
4 years old.
Right.
October
So you are
31st, 2016. Sir.
Oh, almost at 4 years now.
Okay. वो podcast आते आते हो जाएगा 4 years.
हाँ, and that's great because like you are a product of a post-Geo India in that sense.
It's like when that internet consumption just started increasing. Before Geo, just before Geo. So, yeah.
And that interests me that you started this channel in a country where the equivalent of science video is 8 ancient Indian technologies. You know.
उससे खराब है space scene में. It's like you will have like the worst quality of clickbait, and the bad part of it is they'll always rank high on the search results. If you go and search Chandrayaan 2, half of the videos will be like Chandrayaan 2 का सच क्या, aliens ने इसे चुराया, Chandrayaan 2 का सच अमेरिका ने इंटरफियरेंस करके लैंडर को खराब कर दिया. Like it's like that, and morph zero tweets and on the thumbnails and all. No amount of reporting helps, but the amount of cringe is a whole new level in this category, because there are not many people delivering the right information.
Or any information. I think space-based news and science-based news. We've discussed this so many times whenever we talk. Because साला कोई है ही नहीं cover करने को. मैं आपको print वाले भेजते रहता हूँ. जो print I think is the only one doing science, decent science reporting.
Yeah, probably.
Hindu, you pointed out, does some decent science reporting.
Yeah, sometimes the articles are really good.
Yeah, and I mean,
especially non-space. स्पेस का मुझे उतना नहीं पता उनका.
बट आई थिंक मेरा भी जो पूरा साइंटिफिक एजुकेशन हुआ है लाइफ में, जो भी मुझे गीकीनेस था, इट वाज अचीव्ड बिकॉज ऑफ मैगजीन्स लाइक साइंटिफिक अमेरिकन, बिकॉज ऑफ स्मिथसोनियन, बिकॉज ऑफ पॉडकास्ट्स लाइक रेडियो लैब, you know, so I think that's where invariably we have to turn to in order to get an idea of what is actually going on in the field.
Yeah, मेरे को magazines मतलब I remember like saving money and buying Digit.
Oh, yeah.
CD आती थी उसके साथ. And the most exciting part was the CD. Like you put it in and just see क्या है इस बार नया, क्या software है. Even if you don't know what the software is, just install and see. Just like
just goof with it.
Me and my friends used to like contribute like एक महीना मैं magazine लेगा, एक महीना तू लेगा Digit का. I think that magazine culture has dissolved now.
मेरे हाँ वो तो absolutely man. I think one of the I'm so happy and I'm so blessed because my parents were kind enough and smart enough to get National Geographic magazine since I was, I think since before I was born they were reading National Geographic.
That is really बहुत बड़ा advantage हो सकता हूँ.
Yeah, and we have I think probably every single issue that has come out since the early 90s, I think. And just that, and then you know, and I just feel like on that level, no, like as an artist, I feel our responsibility is to take what academia does and bring it to an audience in a language that they can understand.
Yes, and also responsibility of academia to deliver this information in public. That the first step is only lacking in India here.
But I think our academia is so busy academying कि वो लोग को वो वक्त ही नहीं मिलता है. Like, you know, just yesterday we were discussing, right, कि इंडिया का telescopes क्या best है.
अरे it's world class man, they are they're too good.
Yeah, and except for the Pune one, they're all natively produced.
Yeah, most of them, yeah. So 15 कुछ है telescopes and more are coming in. We also have a space telescope, AstroSat.
Yeah,
so it's like a 7-in-1 like multi-wavelength.
Yeah, and that's the one. Is that the one we're also looking? नहीं, moon वाला अलग है ना, जो moon का कैमरा है जिस पे आपने
no, that is Chandrayaan 2 orbiter.
Right.
That is Chandrayaan 2 orbiter. वो तो that's best in its class. Like the resolution, it's like जो US spy satellites use करता है, or even India. Even India has some great spy satellites. That kind of resolution which we get on Earth, we are getting there on the moon. Like.
Right.
0.25 meter, like you can see small boulders which are 1 meter diameter. That is just insane resolution for the moon.
Absolutely. And that's the thing, right? Like there are all these amazing things happening, and people like me are either not scientifically literate enough or are so busy trying to figure out how to compete with prank videos and kids getting beaten up videos that it's just like you just don't get around to making it. But you are somebody who's actually making that stuff right now, and in a language that people understand and speak. Like the one thing that happens whenever I introduce almost everybody to your channel, and the one thing they always write back is like, अरे यार ये है तो सही पर हिंदी में भी है तो और भी सही लगता है. You know?
So, yeah, there is the other faction also is like, bro, English में video कर international exposure मिलेगा. That is why I add English subtitles. It's a headache because वो हिंदी और automation subtitles होते ही नहीं है. Just struggling. But yeah, it's like almost वो SpaceX of India video में almost 3 to 4 hours लगे मेरे को subtitles लिखने. It was such a pain. Need to do something about this.
I mean, as somebody who takes a lot of effort into my stand-up subtitles myself, I think what I can do, which you are not able to do, is I get usually an intern to at least do the transcript. And then I sit with the transcript and the video and then I punch it up as I go.
Right, मैं वो manually वहाँ डालता हूँ क्या YouTube के editor में.
राइट हाँ
So,
वो तो
space hit space type.
बहुत बहुत एग्जॉस्टिंग है. मैंने लाइफ में दूसरे लोगों के लिए एक या दो ही बार किया है सबटाइटल्स यूट्यूब पे, और फिर मैंने डिसाइड किया कि देखो खुद को करो इतना बुलंद कि सबटाइटल्स ना लिखने पड़े.
But my क्या हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स ही करता हूँ मैं काफी टाइम बाद. It's not like शुद्ध हिंदी like
हाँ.
some channels. It's
Yeah.
like it's more what generally people speak who know Hindi English. तो ऐसा मिक्स करके बात कर देता हूँ.
Honestly, one of the few channels that I watch that is शुद्ध हिंदी is रविश का शो. like और उसमें भी मेरे को आधा तो बाउंसर जाता है, मेरे को 2-3 बार देखना पड़ता है. दिल्ली वाले दोस्तों को मैसेज करता हूँ ये वर्ड क्या होता है, वो वर्ड क्या होता है.
Yeah, that is why I avoid watching pure Hindi shows. समझता नहीं आधे से ज्यादा चीज़ और वो flow खराब होता है माइंड में.
Yeah,
It's like
yeah.
what did he say and now I'm missing the current context and I'm guessing the previous context and it's all a mess.
क्योंकि लाइक ज़्यादातर लोग को बाहर के लोगों को स्पेशली रियलाइज भी नहीं होता है कि ना, लाइक एटलीस्ट फॉर यू एंड मी, हिंदी इज नाइदर आर फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज, नाइदर इज इंग्लिश आर फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज. बराबर.
And I feel English is more prevalent in India than Hindi or English together.
नाउ वेल आई थिंक दैट्स मोर ऑफ एन अर्बन फिनोमेनॉन इफ यू गो टू.
हाँ, probably.
और वो इसलिए हो जाता है मेरे हिसाब से क्योंकि आई थिंक एटलीस्ट विद गुजराती आई फील लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ द वर्ड्स in Gujarati for things that have come out in the last 100 years, there are no words.
I don't know. I was trying to learn Sanskrit and everything seems so familiar to Marathi, Konkani, Hindi. Like
Yeah.
it almost feels like everyone's like created a different version of Sanskrit. Like Marathi is like modify karte thoda ye. Like the a, I, e, u, that all those alphabets are there in Sanskrit.
Absolutely.
Pronunciation, that's difficult little.
Yeah, and I think Sanskrit is one of those languages where your word sentence formation and word formation heavily dictates what the sentence could mean.
There is a beauty of that language also. It's like it's even if you don't understand Sanskrit, if you read Sanskrit, if you understand Hindi, Marathi, or you'll understand probably because those words are all over the place. मतलब कुछ कन्नड़ा में मिलेंगे आपको words, कुछ मराठी में मिलेंगे. It's really nice.
वो कन्नड़ा और मलयालम आर one branch and Tamil and Telugu are one branch in that. No, sorry, Kannada and Telugu are one branch and Tamil and Malayali are one branch, right? Which are separate. Like Tamil and Malayalam are like, it's very like you will find common words, but it is like phonetically very very alien compared to what one does otherwise. At least मेरे experience में ऐसा रहा है. In terms of Kannada and Telugu just like looks like somebody was really mad when they were writing Kannada. Like बस गुस्से में लिखा हुआ कन्नड़ा लगता है मेरे को कभी कभी. अब इस पे गाली आएगा पर डोंट वरी, ये पॉडकास्ट कोई देखता नहीं है. Except our lovely patrons, thank you patrons. But no, so where I wanted to start this conversation was ki, like what motivates you to make this kind of channel in the first place, right? The sheer frustration of अच्छा content नहीं है does not lead most people to make content. If that was the case, then you know things would be very different.
ना वही था. I was watching तभी मतलब काफी US channels were Veritasium and Vsauce and everybody. And there was no Indian equivalent as such. Like, even if they were like this Hindi converted English articles kind of. वो हिंदी article English article लेते उसे हिंदी में बात करते हैं. It's like too low quality. And then there were also channels like Curse Kasat. I don't know if I pronounced it
I
right.
love Curse Kasat.
So like ऐसा क्यों नहीं है इंडिया में, ऐसे animation का क्यों नहीं है? The aim was to bring that kind of channel. Of course, these animations are too complicated. There is so much going on everywhere at every frame.
I swear it is, and it takes. That's why it takes so long to make them, also, right?
Yeah. They have a big team, I guess, 28 people or something. I think.
Yeah, and they have a whole like that's at that level you are a corporation. Like you have your merchandise. They have an app that I don't know if you just saw the new app.
Calendar वगैरह release करते. So it's a proper I don't know whatever, but they are a great from a production standpoint. They are great. So वही था कि इंडिया को भी एक high quality channel चाहिए. It's not like a slideshow of images playing and you are talking over it.
Right.
A good production quality, high production quality, and at the same time delivering good knowledge. So eye candy के साथ knowledge मिलना basically.
हाँ वही ना, academia के काम को palatable बनाना.
Yeah, वो तो है ही, because there was nobody talks about very few, I don't know about who talks about Indian science achievements.
Yeah. Do you think that's a cultural thing for us as a country? कि like we just don't value science as much. Like engineer सब है पर science का value इतना खास नहीं है. मेरे को अक्सर ऐसा feel आता है.
I think पता नहीं, मुझे वैसा feel नहीं आता है, but There is definitely less awareness because if you remember, like 10 or maybe even 10 years back, small things like a math genius, some kid doing good math and all used to make news.
Yeah, but like nobody actually did math after that. You know what I mean? Like, हाँ वो अच्छा है, वो सही
I
है,
understand,
very
I
good.
understand. हाँ.
And especially Indians love taking credit for anything anybody our skin tone does. You know?
Meaning if any Indian origin guy does something good.
हाँ, anywhere in the world we are very happy. Like हम लोग ऐसा छाती ताड़ के बोलेंगे कि देखा कितने सारे इंडियन बच्चे अमेरिका में स्पेलिंग भी जीतते हैं, पर अपने इधर का एजुकेशन सुधारने का बात नहीं करेंगे अपन.
Hey, I don't know, but the culture is definitely improving because when I started, there was no audience only for such things. So now there is a big audience. Like you can now officially use the term Indian space community because there was no community. Like now there are a bunch of people who advocate for Twitter, for ISRO, sorry.
Right.
And there is awareness now. This puts pressure on ISRO also to be more open or other science institute like quantum computers. Like मैंने quantum computers के बारे में पढ़ा. Okay, I was excited, but I wanted to know what India is doing in quantum computers. What's the point? मेरे excitement का point क्या अगर मेरा देश कुछ नहीं कर रहा है तो.
हाँ.
Then I got to know that there's this program called Quest, which I had started in 2016 or something like that.
Right.
And some money was allotted to it. But again कोई news नहीं थी. Whatever was there वही एक statement को लेके milk करके पूरा article बनाने वाला scene था वो.
हाँ.
Then I filed a RTI. I got more information. Then some 3 or 2 years ago, I made that video on
That
India's quantum computers.
it blows my mind that you had to file an RTI for something that was otherwise just it's there's nothing secret in it. It's just कि nobody bothered talking about this mind blowing thing that people in India are trying to achieve.
Right. And that I don't know. That is a common theme here. Instead it should be more open. Like they should वो चिल्ला के बोलना चाहिए कि हम ये कर रहे हैं करके. अभी हो रहा है वो. Now if you see the social media scene, like it's almost like every institute is fighting to have the better tweet or the more like tweet. Or so now it's changed. Now it's changed a lot. But तभी वैसे था. तो अभी recently फिर I guess that thing is renewed and some 8,000 crores are given to that new quantum computing program. But
I see.
I need to update that thing. Let's see.
Do you feel like I mean I don't care what you answer for this because I feel this way. As far as YouTube is concerned and as far as science on YouTube is concerned, I think you are one of the bigger people in India who are responsible for getting that interest in.
Probably, I don't know.
Yeah, because I don't see any other space channel. Name one other space channel, bro.
Meaning there are, but I don't know of.
Okay. Let me qualify this. I suppose it might be too vague a question. Name one space channel which is doing a legitimately, like an honest to themselves job of reporting about what's going on, doing the research, talking to people, and also making it look as nice as yours does.
Okay, I don't know then.
It's a trick question because there is no one else.
that will be a bad thing.
Yeah, it is, I suppose, on some level, right? But I think it takes one person to really do it and make a success out of it on any scale for other people to think कि हाँ ये भी कर सकते हैं.
There is a reason for this because ISRO is not like, if you see SpaceX, every day you have some new news to talk on. ISRO के मामले में वैसा नहीं है. You will have something to talk on once in a month. Or something you'll have to create your own. Like वो ISRO sea launch वाला video, that was me just assuming how ISRO will do and like what could be the problems, potential problems and potential issues. Yeah, my internet connection is unstable.
Yeah. Okay, I think it's back. हाँ.
तो मैं ये बोल रहा था कि that so you have to create your own topics or dig into the old history or learn from other space agencies correlated to ISRO. So there is nothing to talk on every month as such. Maybe you'll get. But then by the time you talk, those cringe people would have taken the kick.
And I think it's also just the fact that SpaceX is it's a privately owned thing. You know, like it's a private person owns it, and therefore it is in his best interest for the stock price or whatever the hell for it to do well.
Yeah, currently it is private.
Yeah, so they have to constantly create a buzz around themselves. अपने इधर तो I mean public sector units का तो क्या ही बात कर सकते हैं in terms of how savvy they are with branding. But you know, when it comes to organizations like ISRO also, I think they are not incentivized based on whether or not they are educating the general public about their achievements.
That is very true. Like even if you take NASA for example, they are forced to make sure that their achievements and public, क्योंकि उनका politics के ऊपर बहुत है, funding
Yeah.
मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा.
Yeah.
So they have to do it, वरना वो problem में होगा. So
Yeah.
in India वैसे नहीं है. In India, ISRO does its own thing. It's directly under the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Direct under the PMO. I think वो विक्रम साराभाई ने जब setup किया था, that was the reason, so that there is not much resistance between approvals and getting everything done.
Right.
So yeah, there is no incentive to ISRO to do this. And if you see, if you talk to ISRO people, they are like this very humble, motherly, fatherly people. They're like एकदम वैसा ही feel आता है. Even in conferences and all, when they are doing
Yeah.
with so much love, they'll talk to you. They are
Yeah.
they don't know about the culture of PR basically.
Yeah. That's true.
There is no culture of PR. You need those young people to do this.
Yeah.
And वो IIST से अभी ISRO में slowly scientists बढ़ रहे हैं. So yeah, that IIST is basically Indian Institute of Space Technology.
Yeah.
So if you have a very high JE rank and very high rank, you can get into IIST. And if you maintain a certain percentage in IIST, you directly get a job in ISRO.
I see.
So many people from IIST are joining ISRO. I think when that class of people start coming up, younger people who are more active on social and all,
Correct.
we'll see that happening. And we are seeing that happening with webinars. These webinars and all, yeah, IIST के लोगों से.
डू यू फील लाइक ये अभी जो और आपने इस पे वीडियो भी किया है कि कैसे अंडर द करंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बजट काफी बढ़ गया है इसरो का.
Yeah, if you see the graph, it like
yeah,
it climbs like that.
एंड यू नो यू कैन से a lot of things about this government. बहुत निंदा कर सकते हो और सही भी रहेगी, पर एक मामले में they have been spot on. Like they have been really, they have set their eyes on space and they're really going in that direction.
This is also true for science, but मेरे पास साइंस का डेटा नहीं है. I know that Department of Science and Technology का budget is slowly going to at least next year hit 1 billion.
Right.
And yeah, but that rise started at Manmohan's last year. If you see that graph, let's say 4,000 something to 5,000, that rise started there. So it in his last term, बहुत बड़ा increase दिया उसने, 1,000 something crore. And from there it has been like.
Do you feel, इससे मेरे को दो सवाल सूझता है. पहला है कि आपको क्या लगता है कि इसके कारण पॉलिटिक्स बढ़ जाएगा स्पेस के आजू बाजू, बिकॉज व्हेन somebody is going to pump that much money into it, they will definitely want some kind of mileage out of it.
Yeah, but it's a well-known fact कि this return takes time, and you also have people from opposition in some of the science communities like Jairam Sharma. No, what is that? Jairam
Ramesh.
Jairam Ramesh. He's in one of the parliamentary committees which does all the science thing and all. So it's like bipartisan. I think that's a very US word to use. But yeah, it's like नहीं बढ़ेगा because currently even if you see the amount is not very high, to be honest.
Right. Jairam Ramesh तो went to MIT, man. Like पढ़ा लिखा बंदा है.
Yeah, but I don't want to judge anyone by qualifications. And it finally comes down to what human is.
Yeah.
Like we have that culture in India कि इसके पास ये qualification है तो better होगा, ये doctorate है तो better होगा. Like judge every human just yeah, you can use those qualifications as a stone maybe or like as a factor in your decision, but don't make it the factor.
I mean it in the sense कि when you look at the average education of the average member of parliament or of Rajya Sabha, it is nice to see people who are from the premier technological institutes of the world in that list. You know what I mean?
Problem is Jairam has said too many shitty things.
That comes with politics, man. Everybody said shitty things all the time.
Yeah, exactly. Politics के वजह से ही. It's like comment करना था कर दिया, but when you are head of a science committee in the parliament, you know, you should speak on from that front. कि if no science gets damaged तो क्या होगा, science का funding cut हुआ तो क्या होगा.
हाँ, और यही
that should be your first interest.
That was actually the second thing I was coming to. कि in a country like ours जहाँ पे GDP गिर रहा है, लोग मर रहा है, नौकरी नहीं है, you know, I don't think a lot of people understand कि space based research का क्या value है.
Yeah. Yeah, because we'll never know how it directly affects us, but
Right.
it affects us in so many ways. I'll come to ISRO, but let's take NASA for starting.
Yeah.
Like the camera on your phone, that's a CMOS sensor. A CMOS sensor was invented by NASA. Now it's mainstream because it has a better imaging capabilities.
Right.
Same goes if you've seen vehicles docking to the space station. So they use laser guidance.
हाँ.
There are multiple techniques. कुछ मैथ से भी कर सकते हो, but LASIK eye surgery,
Yeah.
that was like one of the offshoots, because sometimes when you're doing LASIK your eye tends to move, and that should
Right.
not happen. So this tracking technology will point the laser in the correct part if your eye moves. So same with tires on the tire technology, and then there are so many things that have come from space that directly affect us. You know how I
Yeah.
think that's the biggest branch that affects us today. Considering, or even India mein, there was many technologies that did not exist. Like take for example lithium ion battery. India में था ही नहीं, हम सब import करते थे.
हाँ.
ISRO recently liberalized it as a spin-off, and now any industry, if they want, they can pay ISRO some token amount and get the technology, and it's already started.
And it's an excellent time to do that, considering that we have to look at now electrifying all of our automobiles in a short span of time.
Yeah, right. And then that's not the only thing. Even solar panels जो space में use होते थे
Just,
वगैरह,
हाँ.
that has improved. Same, like I think most of our internet, maybe this video call is going through a ISRO satellite.
हाँ, most likely.
Same with that dish TV. जब हम dish point करते, कहाँ point कर रही हो? Pointing it to ISRO satellite. जो
It's
watching
a
TV
low
because
Earth
of ISRO.
orbit. Yeah.
Oh, it's a geostationary orbit.
Sorry,
GSO.
geostationary orbit. हाँ.
Because
Actually, this
it's
was.
always
I remember reading an interesting article on why Dish TV gets screwed up because of the clouds every time, but your, this thing does not. Internet does not necessarily.
Yeah, because क्या problem with that is using a very high frequency, and the higher your frequency, the chances of you getting blocked by something is high.
Yeah.
So that is why even 5G is becoming a concern, because even your hand could potentially block the signal from your phone.
Right.
It's more like light. The higher the frequency you go, it's closer to light.
Right.
The
right.
lower frequency you can pass through anything, but we will carry less data. वो issue है.
हाँ.
High
हाँ,
frequency, more data, but easy to block.
इसमें compression सुधार के नहीं कर सकते? I
There
don't
are
know.
many
I'm just
ways.
talking out of my ass, man. Don't take
Yeah,
my.
no. You learn from such questions only, right? There are many ways, and I think this must be already being employed. But कितना compress करोगे, right?
Makes sense. You know, one of the things I learned when I was doing audio engineering was how an MP3 file works. And I
MP3
will.
खतरनाक compress होता है from the raw, like almost 100 times small the file is been from
Exactly.
raw.
And it uses how your brain perceives sound in order to eliminate certain information that your brain is going to fill in gaps on its own later on.
Yeah, fill in on also frequencies which you cannot hear.
Yeah.
Instantly remove them. A lot of data goes there only.
और मुझे इतना अमेजिंग लगा वो चीज़ कि मैं आज तक अपने स्टैंड अप में वही चीज़ रेप्लिकेट करने की ट्राई करता हूँ, यू नो, कि हाउ मच कैन आई कंप्रेस अ थॉट टू द पॉइंट वेयर आई लीव द कंप्यूटेशन टू योर माइंड इंस्टेड ऑफ मी हैविंग टू गिव यू ऑल द डेटा अबाउट द जोक.
Right.
So using what is your mind's default way of thinking, functioning, absorbing and assimilating information in order to deliver the joke without actually saying all the things that somebody else might need to say in order to deliver that joke.
Yeah, that's a very smart way. You can crack a joke without actually speaking, right?
Yeah, and we do it on. I mean, of course, so many comedians do it on very many levels. But the minute you look at it from that point of view, the minute you look at it from an objective, scientific point of view, I think वो तुम्हारा एक world view ही पूरा बदल जाता है, you know?
हाँ, and also क्या बोल रहा था मैं forgot.
कोई नहीं.
हाँ, MP3 guy like we'll stop MP3 because he thinks there are better codecs, which is true. AAC वगैरह आ गए हैं. But MP3 is so prevalent now, it's difficult to kill MP3.
Very difficult to kill.
Yeah, but yeah, audio codecs, yeah, that is a very interesting thing. Removing unnecessary information and filling at least information which can be filled in.
Yeah, but एबिथी तो नहीं जा रहा है भाई. अभी Spotify ने मेरे को बोला कि अगर 1 घंटे से ऊपर का ऑडियो है तो हम वेव नहीं एक्सेप्ट करेंगे.
Oh.
Yeah. And as a I mean मैं तो इधर मैं घर पे मेरे I lucky enough to have 2 studio monitors to listen to music on and all my audio on. So for me तो MP3 तो मैं सुनता भी नहीं हूँ अभी because MP3 ये speaker पे बहुत गंदा लगता है.
You can
Mobile.
feel the difference. You can hear the difference.
You can feel the difference is the correct word because you know when you're removing a lot of those frequencies that the human ear cannot perceive, you're also removing the frequencies that your body can feel.
Oh, okay. Acha.
Right, like your hearing ends at 20, but your body feels a 5 hertz. क्या बोलते उसको 5 God जो भी है तू समझ रहा ना बेस का धप जो होना चाहिए ना ऐसा.
Feel. Yeah, bass is but low frequency.
Yeah. So I'm talking about low only. Higher frequencies तो तुम्हें feel नहीं होने वाला है वैसे.
Yeah, you can actually visualize why bass is bass.
Yeah.
Because the speaker is moving so slowly that it's moving a lot of air with it.
Yeah.
When it's high frequency, it's moving very, very quickly up and down, forward, back, whatever it is. Yeah.
और ये छोटी छोटी चीजें ना जो तो आपको जब रियलाइज होती है कि ये कितना लाइफ में अप्लाई होता है लाइक जस्ट समथिंग एज सिंपल एज आई एम गोना शो एवरीबडी ऑन माय GoPro that I'm shooting this on. The way this setup works is that I have speakers on both sides, but I have a monitor on, like my laptop is on my left, okay? Now, if my laptop is on my left and my laptop, this lid is open versus the lid is down halfway, the speaker gets cut off. And when that speaker gets cut off because the lid is fully open, you suddenly find yourself with considerably diminished experience of left ear ka frequencies. You know, because highs और high mids तो गया ना.
Correct.
वो लैपटॉप ही रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है वो उस तरफ जा रहा है.
Right.
But that's what fascinates me, like little bit of science. Do you feel like that, like as I mean I'm sure you were a geeky kid from growing up, considering that you were buying all these magazines.
Yeah.
And with your
Geeky in
friends.
tech. साइंस में भी था बट पता नहीं रिसोर्सेज नहीं थे साइंस के पढ़ने के लिए लाइक मॉम वुड यूजुअली ऑक्यूपाई द टीवी सीरियल्स वगैरह एंड रेयरली गेट टू वॉच नेशनल ज्योग्राफी हिस्ट्री वाज बिकमिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग लेटली इनिशियली बोरिंग था वो हिस्ट्री टीवी बट हाँ आई थिंक नाउ द क्वालिटी ऑन नेशनल ज्योग्राफी वो मेगा स्ट्रक्चर्स वगैरह दैट वाज क्लास मैन
Lovely.
that forced me like forced me nahi, that because of that I wanted to become civil engineer
Right. But you didn't end up being a civil engineer.
नहीं इंटरेस्ट वैसे फेड होते गए मतलब सिविल इंजीनियरिंग से सॉफ्टवेयर लाइक एज सून एज आई गॉट माय फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर लाइक पेरेंट्स गॉट मी इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड आई वाज लाइक अब माइक्रोसॉफ्ट से प्यार हो गया अब माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लाइफ एम जॉइन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट
Yeah, you are one of the few people who has ever said the words out loud. I have been a Microsoft fan since 2008 or something. You had told me.
yeah since childhood basically जब से विंडोज फोन देखा आई एम लाइक दिस इज डिफरेंट आई लाइक एनीथिंग दैट स्टैंड्स आउट that is different, that is not normal. And Windows Phone was that thing which was different than this lame menu wala phones.
But like Windows Phone was bad also. I don't know if you...
Yeah, it was not bad. Only app ki availability ke wajah se I feel it got killed. But it was so different. Like it brought a fresh perspective on what phone can be. I think we are seeing many things from that trickle down into the today's phones.
So when you start a science channel, what are, like, I mean, of course, obviously there's availability of information, that is one thing.
Yeah.
There is an inculcating an audience and kind of getting the audience on the side. Like, do you feel like you have to teach people to be interested in science from scratch sometimes?
Yeah, that is why I have to always think about how much I need to dumb down the content.
Right.
कितना करना पड़ेगा कर तो आई डोंट वांट टू बी टू डम क्योंकि मेरे को वो यूट्यूबर नहीं बनना आई वांट टू रिमेन टेक्निकल एज वेल एज मच एज पॉसिबल तो मिडिल ग्राउंड पे आ जाता हूँ एंड जितना हो सके उतना वो सोच वो दैट इज डेफिनेटली बिकॉज ऑडियंस नहीं है बिल्डिंग ऑडियंस एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ऑडियंस है आई मीन इट्स नॉट वेरी बिग ऑडियंस इन इंडिया
अभी कितना हो गया आपका गरीब साइंटिस्ट
1.8 lakhs
that's a lot of people, dude, for a science channel.
Yeah, but you have to understand, like, space might be like 1/3 subscribers. Two of my biggest videos are the Shakti processor video and the supercomputer video. So 1/3 may be tech and other 1/3 may be science related. So it's like a mixture of multiple interests here going on.
Correct. But
Yeah,
I think
so-
that's the name is also like that, no? Like I mean,
Yeah, right,
Garib
right.
Scientist is not the kind of name that one would say is a how should I put it? It's not a spacey sounding name.
Correct, correct. It's not supposed to be a species. The problem is the algorithm has slowly nudged me in that way.
Correct.
And suddenly I am in this pit. I'm like, कैसे बाहर हूँ? Yeah, so I want to go back to bringing mainstream science in
Yeah.
the Indian context, of course.
हाँ.
Because science में बहुत बहुत खतरनाक चीज़ें चल रही हैं. Like there are too many good, and there are so many good facilities also in India which we don't know of.
You know, that's one thing that I've realized. Whenever I get damn depressed about the way things are going, I don't know how, but you end up texting me some science video or article, and that's one beautiful thing about science, right? Like science always moves forward.
Yeah, उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता what you say, you criticize. If you criticize, it's like a good thing, you know, because you get more
Yeah.
questions to answer.
Yeah.
You know, it's like scientists won't get pissed off if you burn a book or something, because truth does not change.
Yeah, but that's interesting to me कि you bring it up in that sense, because I would have brought it up in a similar way. What value does science have in a world when facts are no longer valued?
Yeah, today's world is, I don't know, what I'm seeing at least on social media at least. It's like, you know, everybody is a slave to a particular ideology. You know, ये बुरा है, तू इसमें विश्वास नहीं करता, तू इसलिए बुरा है, तू इसमें विश्वास नहीं करता, इसलिए बुरा है. You know, like, it's better not to get engrossed in that, just focus on
Yeah.
yourself, because, you know, being a part of this herd mentality will only damage you. You know, group का तो ठीक है, वो अपना अपना देख लेंगे, but finally you should look after yourself.
पर
तो ये देख रहा हूँ मैं, it's like a fight of who thinks is right. You know, there are 100 people this side, there are 100 people this side. नहीं मैंने बोला है, we are 101 people, so we are right. You are 100 people, so you are wrong.
हाँ.
It's like, I don't know, man. It's too negative environment right now, and that is why I love IPL right now. वो jobless people जो रोज cancerous trends करते थे,
वो आज सब
they
IPL
have a
देख
job finally to do. Yeah, no more on Twitter you find this cancerous trends, right? At
But
least
यार,
at night.
ये जो मुझे पर यहाँ पर लाइक यार फ्लैट अर्थर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं पता है, लाइक अभी भी.
Yeah, क्या कर रहे हैं?
लाइक और कितना उसको प्रूफ देना पड़ेगा कि यू नो, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई फाइंड इज वेरी कंसर्निंग. इसकी यू नो द वे यू कैन लाइक इफ यू अभी बहुत लोग ने देखा भी रहेगा वो सोशल डायलेमा वाला, विच बाय द वे आई फील दैट नेटफ्लिक्स शुड हैव मेड इट इन हिंदी ऑल्सो. अपने देश के ऑडियंस को तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है देखना कि
I
सोशल
think they
मीडिया.
have a bigger audience also, right? They have a very big audience, I think. I have numbers बता नहीं, but I think if they reduce the price, वो okay, that will come to later. हाँ, आप बोलो.
नहीं तो मतलब मुझे एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ हो रहा है कि बिकॉज ऑफ द वे सोशल मीडिया इज, if you are somebody who is prone to conspiracy theories, people who want to fill conspiracy theories into your brain are going to constantly throw this stuff at you, you know, because they know you are susceptible. That was one of the things that they were talking about in the documentary also.
Yeah.
और मुझे कभी कभी वही डर लगता है कि अपने एरा में like are we looking at a point where, and I've asked you this before also but it's nice to ask on record कि like super specialization has removed the need for critical thinking from the average person. Now if the average person doesn't need to critically think to make their mobile work or make their internet work, it's just everything is plug and play, they will never truly appreciate the work that goes into it, and they were never truly like, for them the whole idea of critical thinking is out of the window. फिर तो भाई it's free reign, फिर तो भाई बनेगा ही ना कि ancient aliens.
You see, what I'm noticing is people are deciding the answer first and asking the question later. Like मैंने decide किया, this is it is. Now you ask any question, I'll twist the argument in such a way that I'm only right, which is scary, because you know, no matter what you are shown, you will always believe in something.
Yeah.
And the problem with that is no amount of evidence or no amount of facts can help change that.
Absolutely.
You know, it's about providing people that fuel, which to fuel their fire basically.
Yeah.
This is unfortunate. अब क्या कर सकते? This is not just in India. This is throughout the world. You know, people have decided that this guy is right or this guy is wrong, and there is no granularity. You know, see, no person is good or bad. He does multiple things. Maybe you can judge that one thing on one person, but एक चीज को लेके अब you can't call a entire person bad, and same thing with entire person good.
Right.
Like we that culture of generalization is really hitting up. You know, like just कर दे conclusion, डाल दे conclusion. इसने ये किया ये बुरा है, अरे इसने ये किया अब ये अच्छा है. That is not good. We need to judge every person based on his qualities, and that qualities also can be further broken down or to actions, what they are doing today. And also what I see today is this change. People are not appreciating change. Meaning आपने कुछ बोला था 10 साल पहले, and today you see something else, you're like, oh bro तूने ये बोला था पहले, you're hypocrite, ये वो. Change should be appreciated, no?
Growth has been replaced by hypocrisy. Right,
hypocrisy is like that garbage. You find it everywhere.
And it's such an annoying thing where it's like, even if I want to change my opinion now, I have to stick to the opinion that whatever bloody 20-year-old version of me had. जो चुतिया था, उसको कुछ नहीं आता था, वो 20 साल का था, मैं 27 साल का है, मेरे को अभी भी कुछ आता नहीं है, पर मेरे को एटलीस्ट पता है कि 20 साल वाला क्या क्या गलत बोल रहा था.
Change should be appreciated. A change in opinion should be appreciated.
Or at least looked into.
Yeah, this I am saying in the science side. उनको politics का नहीं पता.
No, I mean it generally also in life also.
No, I've seen many people changing, but their change has a very particular pattern to it. समझा ना, like say क्या बोलूँ मैं?
बोल कुछ सोच ले, कुछ नॉन कंट्रोवर्शियल बोलना है तुझे, मुझे पता है, तो सोच ले.
मुझे कंट्रोवर्शियल बोलना है, बट इन अ नॉन कंट्रोवर्शियल वे.
हाँ, I know, आराम से.
Say there is a क्या बोलूँ? Say there is a MD in your company.
Yeah.
He has a particular opinion when a particular CEO is there, but when the CEO changes, his opinion changes with the CEO.
Right. Yeah.
Those kind of things are scary because your opinion is made to please someone instead of what you believe in.
Yes, that's very, very smoothly done. I'm very proud of you, GS. That's great.
This is very prevalent, by the way.
Oh, I know.
By the way, बोलना नहीं था, वो अलग टोन दिया सेंटेंस को. It was more like I'm not getting words for this.
नहीं मैं समझ गया. I think audience भी समझ जाएगी. Audience भी समझ जाएगी.
Yeah. So yeah, that is there. And but yeah, many, like if you see scientists having political discussions, ना इनका मजा आता है मेरे को देखने में. Because they are always thinking from logical side. They are always coming up with logical. So yeah, but Twitter pe in general, it's becoming cancer. It is cancer.
Do you feel like this is a common question asked to a lot of people, and this is a well discussed fact, but like how do you balance a faith aspect of life and a scientific objective way of looking at life?
That is most difficult. Okay, I am a full nerd and all. Right, correct. But I enjoy going to the temple. I mean, have you ever been to a temple and just sat there? The amount of calm that goes through your body. Yeah. And the temples also are designed in such a way that everything is cooler inside. The temperature and at least the old temples, जो पहले design किए थे.
Yeah.
You know, when you sit and all that, it's all cool. And the way the bell and all is reverberating throughout, it's just so nice. I almost feel like doing my editing sitting in a temple.
Yeah. Arguably, churches are also like that in some sense.
Yeah. I'm from क्या हुआ अपना हायर सेकेंडरी 11-12 चर्च में किया था, चर्च स्कूल में, और दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो या वी सीन दैट आल्सो व्हेन नोबडी इज देयर.
या
दैट इज रियली काम.
सेम विद द टेंपल आल्सो आई फील. क्योंकि मेरे इधर कृष्ण भगवान का मंदिर है, और उधर नहीं होता है यार, उधर शांति नहीं होता है. उधर आंटी लोग आके गॉसिप करता है.
You are in a city, that's why. City, the density is so high that people will always be there everywhere. But यहाँ वैसे नहीं है. Here many temples are there and there are less people, so it's like less crowded. So even if 2-3 people come, it's fun. But
also on some level I feel like, and like okay, I
feel this shouldn't be a binary, like believe in God or not believe in God. I don't know. Like अच्छा लगता है pray करके, no doubt. But at the same time, it's true that if I pray for say Armenia there, वहाँ कुछ change नहीं होला है मेरे prayers से यहाँ से. So
right.
But yeah, do it for yourself.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's a good from a psychological perspective also. It's really nice. मेरे को तो एकदम calm कर देता है such things. But yeah, I don't want to get into that believe in God or not believe in God. Like from a God perspective, my favorite God is Ganesh. Like bachpan se, like once I've even stolen murtis from somebody.
Wow.
Like that fan I was. Like picture dikhta tha, I would cut it and paste it in my picture book. Utna. Like crazy. I don't know. There's something about him.
I get you, man. I'm also arguably one can say I am also a great Ganpati Bhakt, because I mean it's also about growing up in Mumbai and you are constantly like, you know, har saal Ganesh Chaturthi is such a
like
you know,
especially for small families like us, you know, getting Ganesh, although we don't bring, हमारे घर पे ही आता है.
हमारे घर पे भी कभी हम लोग कभी गणपति नहीं लाए. I think that is a whole different conversation only. But
नहीं लाए because हमारा वो सब है कि मेन घर में होना चाहिए ये वो. It feels like somebody has come to your home. It's just like you have to take care of him like a child has come, and it's nice. You know, these cultures, yeah, they improve your mental well-being definitely. बहुत पॉजिटिव हो जाता है सब कुछ.
And I feel like as compared to other religions, we don't really have the idea of blasphemy.
नहीं, you can say whatever you want. At least हमारे घर पे तो वैसे है. My mom and all, they don't get offended if I say anything like, why are you doing this? Like, no, you should, like, I can't speak for everyone, but in my family at least.
Yeah.
That
Similarly,
critical thinking is there.
Yeah, it's. I mean, if you read the Bhagavad Gita, it's like, you know, Ram Bhagwan is Arjun is asking 500 questions to Krishna Bhagwan, and like war चल रहा है, you know.
अच्छा.
और कृष्ण भगवान के पास टाइम है जवाब देने को. You know what I mean? At no point is Krishna Bhagwan saying, "Hey, just shut up, yaar." Like that's never happening. At no point is Krishna Bhagwan saying, "I will punish you for asking me these questions." You know. So it's inherently ingrained in our culture when you think about it. So that's why I get kind of scared when nowadays we are moving to a place where, why do you want to know? What is there to know? There is nothing to know. Shut the fuck up. Like I think that is very detrimental to a society as a whole only.
The best thing is, if I know there's going to be controversy in something, I just avoid that. Like you can't do it and then be like, oh, ऐसा नहीं. There's no point. कुछ लोगों के साथ argue करने में कोई point नहीं है. It's like that you will only be splashed with dirt finally, no matter what. So it's better. Avoidance is my first instinct. चाहे कितना है, because finally say I am a normal person. I am no freedom fighter or something. I am not fighting for someone's rights or something.
Yeah.
Just go. ठीक है. There are many ways to convey a message. You don't have to be direct every time.
Yeah. I like that. That's a great note to end this first half, man. That's great. We're going to take a very quick break and we'll be back in the second half with, more conversations, more in-depth look on how you make a YouTube video that is that animated and that nice. So see you after this break. Hello. Welcome back. Second half AMF with Garib Scientist. Today we have been talking about, first half has been mainly just like our own philosophies about this and that, and I wanted to get into some specifics as well. In fact, this is partially why we're re-recording this, because last time, being the genius that I am, I spoke to you for an hour and I forgot to ask you what is your process to make a video. So that I'll just put it up right now, because otherwise I will forget to ask you again, I feel. What is the process behind making a video? What is selection like? And I don't just mean it in a upra-upri sense. I mean it genuinely in a step-by-step sense. Are you animating first? Are you writing first? Like how do you even do this?
Right. So I maintain a ideas book. Many are in that are long-term ideas which I want to do in the next year or 2 years or even 4 years. But
what's a 4-year idea like?
4 years Gaganyaan का जो आ रहा है 2022 2023.
Okay, so it's 4 years based on the thing that you're trying to cover as opposed to how long you'll think you'll take to execute it.
Yeah, I have this dream. I want to create Gaganyaan animation, which is better than what ISRO will do.
Okay.
So that will take time, I know. So at least 1 year of work will go in that. So वैसे तो and like जैसे ही idea आता है, even at the midnight I just wake up and I note it down because I forget. बिल्कुल याद नहीं रहता है. I'm like very bad in such things. Whether it's movies, ideas, I forget after even few minutes sometimes. So this is the first step. Ideas किए. But कभी-कभी ऐसे bomb आ जाते हैं news के मामले में. Like ISRO suddenly कुछ major announce करेगा and all. And you need to cover that right before the wrong prevails. So those are like instantly done. These major videos like take for example SpaceX of India वाला video.
Yeah.
वो 4 companies 3 companies को cover किया. That I wanted to do last year. But there was not enough progress, so I did not do it. Point नहीं है just video करने के लिए.
Correct.
There should be more knowledge in it. So I kept it on hold. This year I started working on it.
Is it also because it takes a lot of time to get hold of all these people for you? Or do you find the community is very forthcoming?
I'm coming to that.
Okay.
I'm coming to that. So तभी avoid किया. So I started working January, February on that. Started by trying to contact the CEOs. So one of them was following me, Bellatrix का Rohan.
Okay.
But he was always busy, so I somehow managed to get in contact. And then he was like, "You तू phone number पे ही call कर. ये सब Twitter के मामले में मत पढ़. It will take time." I got hold of Rohan from Bellatrix Aerospace. Then it was Pawan from Skyroot Aerospace. उनको LinkedIn पे वगैरह हिट करके वैसे मिला. Aves from Pixel, वो रॉकेट नहीं है बट सैटेलाइट कंपनी. आई यूज्ड टू इरिटेट पिक्सल्स ट्विटर अकाउंट बार पिंग करके. Not many times, like 2-3 times किया रहेगा. And then he started following me, Aves, and then Twitter DM करके उसका contact मिला. And then finally Agnikul Aerospace, Srinath, like that I got. ये सब हुआ वैसे. And then I collected the information, talking to these people and all took almost 1.5 months. There was some back and forth. And then I was like, मुझे कुछ अलग करना है इसमें. I want to finally do my first 3D animation. कुछ तो अलग करना है. Like it has to be very different, not 2D fully. So Bellatrix Rohan ने मेरे को बहुत पहले ही information दे दिया था almost. At the start of the process only. So I made sure I make Chetak's 3D model and everything. So I made the models. And if this big videos, I generally approach from like I am a software engineer, right? So microservice करके एक है architecture. Okay. Where instead of making one big software, you split it into multiple pieces, microservices, small services. So I made the 3D animation, then I made Bellatrix का part का 2D animation, then I made Bellatrix का part. First is audio, हाँ, मैं script ही नहीं है. I don't script anytime. Okay. Because वो robotic feeling आती है यार, मजा नहीं आता है बिल्कुल. हाँ, और वो तो I think तेरे videos में दिखता भी है. मेरे को इतना मस्त लगता है कि it's so natural. It's like my friend is talking to me about something. Yeah, that is the aim finally. Because I just write points and I start talking on it. So once you know enough of the content, you don't need. Or even in personal life, I like public speaking and all. I am an extempore speaker. Right. वो मुझे वो पढ़ के नहीं, I directly like to speak. तो वो वैसे record करता हूँ and then start by tackling the most difficult one first. Like 3D animation difficult था. I made all the angles and everything. Made individual bits and pieces of each space agency because 20-minute का video था. It will be difficult to proof check it finally. Right. Then integrated. That was the flow for SpaceX's of India. Right. If I know a topic deeply, I'll just pick up the mic, I'll start recording and I'll start editing. That happens in 2 days max. But such videos, they take months. But ideally, it's a 2-week period. But animation takes how long? Animation, if it's a full 2D animation, like take 3D animation for Bellatrix, 3D animation ले लेते हैं वो SpaceX of India वाले में. That modeling itself took multiple days. Right. Because I was new to it, not because it takes multiple days. It should have not taken that much ideally. Correct. Modeling in that case took 2 to 3 days or maybe more. 2 to 3 days in hours I'm saying, okay, not like आज बेटा कल बेटा. मतलब but you have job also and all, no? Like so I'm sure that you're handling all of that, including this channel. This is not your main thing. So yeah, this is like a side gig. तेरे side gig में 1.5 lakh subscriber है. I just wanna remind you. हाँ, but see, it's actually poor growth if you go to see. Currently the channel is doing really good. Like it pulls 1 lakh views very easily. But 4 साल लगे ऐसे होने के. 3 साल लगे I think. 3rd साल में growth हुआ. So yeah, animation takes, if it's a complex, it will take multiple days. So if it's a complex video, 2 weeks is what I think mentally to make it. From the points to research to animation to final production and everything. Yeah, that's not bad at all, man. I take way longer to make a YouTube video.
Like
Yeah, because वो approaches अलग है ना अपने. I know the script. For you, it's all uncertain along the path.
I have to, on some level, hope that the audience laughs at the right time.
Yeah, how? I think here is where dreams come in. No, do you ever dream about it and think कि अगर ऐसे बोलूँगा तो ऐसे हंसेंगे, अब ऐसे बोलूँगा तो वैसे हंसेंगे?
मतलब मेरे लिए it's a lot of it is you know I need to talk to some neuroscientists about this, because honestly I don't think I'm consciously processing 80-85% of my writing work. I don't consciously do it at all.
Okay, subconsciously you just like
Yeah, like on a conscious level, I'll tell you what I do on a conscious level. I genuinely sit and think about what I want to say and what my supporting arguments are. And I then research those supporting arguments. Sometimes I don't have those arguments. Sometimes, so I research, and when I research, I realize, oh, my original stance was perhaps not accurate. So something as simple as the Hathi Chiti joke, right? That video is several years in the making, man.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. So
like
you have something in mind कि मेरे को ये करना है, कभी ना जाके करना है, but कैसे करना है? You just keep it on hold.
No, I just keep absorbing information, and then at some point, what happens is that your intrinsic skill set reaches a point where when I go on stage and I start talking about the thing, it just I don't know how it happens, but it just compiles the whole information into a joke and it just comes out of me.
That is awesome. सब subconsciously हो रहा है सब कुछ.
हाँ, और फिर उसके बाद जो प्रोसेस है वो उसमें कॉन्शियस माइंड फिर से इन्वॉल्व होता है कि लाइक वंस यू हैव done it on stage for the first time, then that's the first time it's ever recorded in any form, because it's never written down, it's never none of that shit.
Right.
स्टेज पे जाके जो करने का करो, बोल दो, बात कर लो, देख लो क्या होता है. फिर घर जाते वक्त जब वो तो आप टेप सुनते हो, दैट्स व्हेन योर ब्रेन, योर कॉन्शियस माइंड इज लाइक, ओ हो ये हो गया है, चलो इसको अभी ये इधर लाफ नहीं, इसको फिक्स करते हैं, इधर ये हो गया, इसको ये करते हैं, इधर वो ऐड कर सकते हैं.
Right. I can relate to this. Yeah, I can relate to this. Yeah. Correct. Maybe like. Yeah, I think I follow the similar process, because at this point of time in my head, like 7 of 6 videos are going on, and I'm thinking how to execute each one of them. Because this I've thought for the next 1 month or 2 months कि ये करेगा, मैं पहले ये करेगा, ऐसे करेगा, वैसे करेगा, and then I just start doing and I realize कि सब कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, whatever is possible, because dream is finally a sandbox. You have unlimited resources there.
Yeah. And I, you know, last time we were doing this podcast, I spent about half the podcast thinking that you were actually dreaming at night about these things.
No, daydreaming.
Yeah.
A lot of time is wasted daydreaming.
I actually, have you tried lucid dreaming?
नहीं, होता ही नहीं है नींद में. I don't remember when I had a night, what is it, sleeping dream or something. Even if it's scary or something like that.
My dreams are predominantly highly immersive, cinematic dreams. Like I'm in it. Like I'm playing the part of a character in a storyline. In my
वो सब daydreaming में होता है मेरे. Like I'm the president today. Like I have this wish since 11th standard that I want to become president. Because it's a non-political thing, right? I mean, if Abdul Kalam sir बन सकते हैं तो
but I think
कोई भी बन सकता है.
that was the last time it was non-political.
We have a big future. Possible है. Non-political. I think as India progresses, we'll see more non-political people take up that thing. And I don't I feel all the presidents of India could have done a lot more. Kitna power yaar.
Yeah.
They have too much power. They can bring all the MLAs in the country to discipline overnight. But it's very rarely used. Like I think Abdul Kalam sir was one of them who sent back one of the bills, right?
Yeah.
Like, मैं नहीं sign करेगा.
But you know, that's also like it's the president is called a titular head for that reason, because if the council of ministers sends it back, he has to sign it. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि, you know, it's never a hard stop.
There is no law forcing him to sign it. He can be like, I'll sign few days later and never sign. He can do that. Seriously, he can do that. That is one. It's called. It has a term, something veto, or infinite veto, or something.
Yeah.
So he can be like, मैं अगले महीने sign करेगा, मेरी मर्जी है, and he never sign it. He can do that technically. So legally he can do that. So वैसा बहुत power है. He can even take control of certain departments of certain states, or just like even tell them, if you don't improve your behavior, I'm dissolving your state.
Yeah.
उसके लिए हाँ वो काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स का वो सब लगेगा, बट फाइनली इट्स हिज कॉल, राइट? They
Arguably,
don't
yeah.
do it. They don't do it. It's a different thing.
I'm
Nobody
not
has done
getting
it.
into your dreams, man. You dream on, man. तेरे को बनने का है प्रेसिडेंट, मैं मेरा वोट है तेरे पास, पर मेरे पास वोट नहीं है उस मामले में. पर अगर होता तो मैं तेरे को देता. For sure. Have I lost you?
Internet.
I think.
Internet गया, internet.
हाँ कोई नहीं, आ गया.
कोई कॉल कर रहा था यार, इसलिए वैसे हुआ।
अच्छा कोई नहीं. मैं बस कह रहा था कि अगर तेरे को प्रेसिडेंट बनेगा है तो मेरा वोट तेरा है, हैं? आपको मैं वोट देगा, पर मेरे पास वोट नहीं है प्रेसिडेंट का अनफॉर्चुनेटली, तो मैं वो तो नहीं कर पाएगा.
Yeah. Hey, अभी नहीं, like I want to do some breakthrough. Others it will be very difficult to become one.
That is true. I think if you can convert a generation of Indian kids into space fans, I think that is a massive, great service. You know, one of the things that the NASA ka head was saying in the press conference recently was that in his lifetime, he was born after the last time somebody from America went to the moon.
The first administrator from the non-Apollo generation. And he was like, can you imagine an entire, like, generations of Americans have never understood how important and how thrilling it is to put a man on the moon, and how that robs an entire generation of that imaginative state कि like यार कितना possibilities है दुनिया में. So I feel like so I hope like between ISRO and you. मतलब मेरे को there is a percentage requirement in ISRO that you have to be 65% and above across engineering and 12th and something like that. तो engineering में मेरी कम थी, so I can't technically join ISRO.
No, you don't. But I don't think you need to.
मेरे through अगर like even one person gets inspired and gets a job at ISRO, that will fulfill my dream.
Yeah.
At this point, I don't know if I want to join ISRO because they would curtail my powers to give information.
No, I think where you are at right now is a great place to be, because for every ISRO scientist, there should be a person who's actually amplifying that scientist's work out into the world. So whether you like it or not,
ideally ISRO needs to do this.
Yeah, but no, I think there's a hard limit to how much academia can do. Now you have moved into the space of an artist, where now you are taking what the academia is doing and you're making it more palatable. You know? Now this has too much space, to be honest. तो मेरे को ये general every field में करना है. Like Raman Research Institute is working on quantum communication with ISRO. Quantum communication satellite. But yeah, there are many experiences which demoralize you. Like Shakti processor का देखो. Shakti processor team was so open about information. I just had to ask them once. And Neil Galla sir gave me every possible information he could. He even gave me resources, videos and everything to help. And look at that, videos crossed 1.6 million views today. Yeah.
People know Shakti in like one of the reasons people know Shakti is that video. Like even if one person has spoken to 10%, more than 1 crore people have heard about Shakti.
Yeah, I know about that video I know about like Shakti because of that video as well. That
blew up like anything because no one was covering it. And then there's another institute, I don't want to name it. They were also working on a processor. I had contacted them. They made me wait multiple months. And they made me send questions, everything, and they just blanked out.
Yeah.
Blanked out.
Perhaps they are not allowed to share information.
No, they asked me for questions. No, there was an intent from their side.
Maybe अपना इंडिया में bureaucracy बहुत सही है यार, वो तेरे को घुमाते रहेंगे सर.
नहीं, they are also a commercial, मतलब they have shared information openly and छोड़ो, मेरे को उसमें पढ़ना नहीं है, but yeah, that was kind of irritating. ऐसे बहुत है experiences.
Do you see this, and we're just at the end of this almost now, which is kind of sad, but do you see this, I'll ask you this again hoping that your answer has changed, but do you see this becoming your full-time thing soon?
No. Maybe next year, I don't know, but currently from my, as I said, change हो सकता है opinion, but current as I stand, I like prefer a more certain career approach where I know how I'll be in next 30-40 years.
Do you feel like there is a certain amount of subscribers that if you hit, you will you will be like, okay, now I can consider doing this full time?
नहीं यार, subscribers से ज़्यादा मेरे को like 24 hours और 48 hours में कितने views आते हैं वो ज़्यादा देख रहा हूँ मैं towards that. Because if you have seen YouTube recently, it's almost like they don't matter the subscriber number. Currently, I'm happy if it hits 20k views in 24 hours. It's performing much more than that. But I've set that expectation for myself कि video अच्छा कर रहा है कि नहीं.
That's better than my last few videos, man. So
You upload also a lot, no? So it makes up for that scale. मैं क्या
I mean,
one week
it doesn't
में-
matter if they're getting 5,000 views. I think as well, you know.
No, but when a video goes viral, it makes up for all of those videos and like growth throughout the channel दिखती है.
Fair.
Not just on one video.
Fair.
So you're building a potential for the next when the next big video drops. Like I at least one video on my timeline is occupied by our videos now. One क्या जब मैं YouTube खोलता हूँ तब at least one of it is yours because I'm consistently watching your videos now. So YouTube is like ये आज ने release किया है देख लेगा.
हाँ वो मेरे साथ भी होता है एक्सेप्ट मेरे में लाइक 3-4 वीडियोस होते हैं प्लस आई थिंक फॉर सम रीजन यूट्यूब डजंट अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरे को एक वीडियो 9 बार तो नहीं देखना है लाइक मैं 2 बार देखा है 1-2 वीडियोस पर लाइक 9 बार क्यों कितनी बार और लाइक एवरी टाइम इट कीप्स सजेस्टिंग द वीडियो आई हैव ऑलरेडी वॉच्ड यूट्यूब क्या कर रहे हो
Yeah, like YouTube का advantage ये है कि you see what you like.
या
And like many times it like मेरे को news का suggestion बहुत बार आता है and I don't want that kind of shit on my timeline. Like news channels नहीं चाहिए मेरे को.
you
Not
can
at
click
all.
and say ना I don't want to see
I have done 6-7 times that same thing. Not interested. मत कर.
so that means somebody is pushing it towards us right like that's the only logic then or the algorithm is screwed up.
No, the problem with the algorithm is it's not an algorithm. It's more of a model. So
Right.
It's like क्या बोलूँ मैं? It depends heavily on the inputs you are giving to decide output. There is no fixed input. There is no fixed way of क्या हो converting the input to output.
Correct.
It's always changing. It's changing every day, and that is one thing that machine learning. Meaning अगर आप Tesla वालों देखो, if you follow this Tesla people who have Tesla,
हाँ
एक टाइम में उनका लेन डिटेक्शन चलता है एक सर्टन रोड के ऊपर. बट व्हेन अपडेट कम्स दे विल से लाइक हाँ यहाँ चल रहा था पहले अभी नहीं चल रहा है बिकॉज मशीन लर्निंग इज नॉट अ लीनियर थिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक इफ ज्यादा डेटा डालोगे तो ज्यादा इंप्रूव होगा.
correct
You can't like really tell. It's a model, so it's very unpredictable sometimes. You can tell most of the behavior, but the certain things you cannot predict. But yeah, lately I have
that
grown.
sounds like life only bro.
But are you like sensitive about watch time on your channel?
Dude, I just want to write jokes, man. Like, I feel like
Yeah, see,
ये
मैं
मेरे
पहले
लाइफ में और
साइंस न्यूज करके सीरीज थी मेरी. It's all privated, just one video is there, I guess. Now. Every week one or every 3 days one video used to come. The watch time was so low, it almost felt like it was dragging my entire channel down.
that happens with the old AMF episodes also.
So it's like wo people will go and click certain part, no, if he is like interested in one topic, which even I do for other news channels. Like Technical Guruji भी upload करते हैं, time stamp में जाता हूँ, वो click किया उतना देख लिया, quit किया.
Yeah.
And those channels can afford less watch time. So I was worried that time. छोटा channel था. So I stopped doing that and I did see a growth.
Right. I think मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे को जोक्स बोलने का बराबर तो ये सब है अच्छा चीज़ है ये सब करने लायक है और जो लोग करते हैं वो सही करते हैं पर मेरे को लगता है कि मैं जब भी जोक्स नहीं बोल रहा हूँ ना तो और ये सब कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे को लगता है मैं सब उल्टे हाथ से कान पकड़ रहा हूँ मैं.
Yeah, that is understandable.
लाइक कि बस लाइक जोक्स ही तो बोलना है और इट्स लाइक अभी तो जोक्स बोल नहीं सकता मैं जाके स्टेज पे.
Right.
But you know things at the same time I feel like it is a silly pursuit to try and grow in only one thing and expect that you will grow and excel and push that craft forward without actually learning new things around that craft, you know.
Yeah.
So that's where the vlog comes in. That's where the music album came in. I want to be a better person also at the end of the day.
Yeah, vlogs are really good.
Thanks,
and they're
man.
doing good also on YouTube.
Not really. After the last 3 though have not done very well. Perhaps maybe the next one will do better. In fact, I'm just like after this call, before the next podcast, I'm going to quickly shoot some bits that I need to do for the next vlog.
I like really enjoy it. Like they are very raw. They are more of flying based and less of Mumbaikar Nikhil. What I've noticed is on YouTube, those kind of vlogs do well. vlogs, okay, in your case,
Hmm.
do well, where you are more raw. Both are good. I'm not saying one is better than the other. Just that I've seen the preference and trend in the, like, मुझे बहुत गंदी आदत थी patterns ढूंढने की.
हाँ.
All that I've noticed. So yours is doing. I really like your vlogs.
Glad. Thank you, man. I'm very much appreciative of this.
See, I have said at the start also, it's an honor to be here.
Oh, not at all. The pleasure
thank you.
and privilege is all mine, dude. Now, if only after this podcast I can convince you to do a collab video with me. That's the real game. You don't understand. मैं ना एकदम मैं weed है. मैं मतलब वो वाला नहीं जो वो वाला weed कि जो नहीं जो वाला weed यार जो अपने roots फैला के तुम्हारे पूरे garden में घुस जाता है और तुम्हें बाद में realize होता है कि हाय ला फूकने वाला weed नहीं basically.
Right.
Botany वाला weed. I thoroughly enjoy meeting and this podcast is what this is my thesis, you know, ki like this is me assimilating information about the last like 9 years of doing comedy in this one podcast, you know, ki like
Right, मैं भी उस दिन सोच रहा था AMF क्या है, and like Akash Mehta and Friends. Okay, now I understood why I said the Akash Mehta and Friends. Okay, it's AMF.
Yeah. And it's I'm glad that you're on this. It would have been a really shitty season if I didn't talk to you, I feel. Like I would have really felt like I missed out. Especially considering we don't know whether or not the second season will happen at this point. So I'm really glad I got you right now. And thank you for coming right now.
आपको भी thank you.
अरे बिल्कुल. I think at the end of this we should sign off in true Garib Scientist style. And say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat and
ज्ञान की गरीबी सबसे बड़ी.
सबसे बड़ी. Thank you so much for being on this, man. Hey, thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much for listening to this. I am glad that you still are here, that you've been here for this whole time. Of course, like I said in the podcast, I've been screaming everywhere. We don't know about season 2 right now. Chill out, 52 episodes hai isme, yaar. That's enough. Like I'm sure you've missed a few. So don't worry. By the time you listen to everything, I'm sure that we'll figure some way to make this work. In fact, right as soon as I finish this podcast, I'm gonna ask Garib Scientist if he can help me figure out my membership thing and my new patronage system for season 2 if we do it. And if you are on the social medias, please make sure you follow Garib Scientist on the YouTube and on the Twitter, especially Instagram पे वो नहीं reply करेगा तो मत try करो. पर and also like see if you can support that channel, man. Membership starts at really low. Okay, membership starts at what, 29 rupees a month?
हाँ, 29.
29 bucks a month is enough to help somebody research and spread the message of science and objectivity in a world that lacks it nowadays. So thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for being on this, GS. That is it. Take care, Shabakher, etc. Bye-bye.